Profibus and Profinet are industrial communication protocols that have been widely used in many industrial applications, such as process control, motion control, and process automation. They provide reliable communication for distributed systems in industrial environments. In process control, Profibus and Profinet can be used to connect components such as sensors, actuators, and controllers, providing real-time data exchange between them. This allows for faster, more accurate decisions and improved system performance. In motion control, Profibus and Profinet can be used to connect different components in a distributed system, such as motors, drives, and controllers, allowing them to communicate with each other in real time. This allows for more precise control and improved system performance. In process automation, Profibus and Profinet can be used to link different components and systems, such as robots, machine vision systems, and PLCs. This allows for faster, more accurate decisions and improved system performance. Overall, Profibus and Profinet are important industrial communication protocols that are used in various industrial applications. They provide reliable communication for distributed systems, allowing for faster, more accurate decisions and improved system performance.